How to add a job to a REDnote profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a job to your profile on REDnote. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, in the profile page, you can see the option labeled profile. Simply tap on that. From here, tap on the job. Now, type in your job title or company details. If the app language seems confusing, you can translate them through the Google Translator. And after that, just fill out the fields you recognize, and once you're done with that, simply click on Save. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully added a job on your REDnote profile. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.